Hey, welcome back. So guys, as part of the previous session, we have seen how exactly we can perform a tap operation. So let us see how exactly we can perform a tap operation using its coordinates. See the simple point guys, in order to identify an element coordinates, right? What I'm doing right now here is I launched my app source code in this particular Xcode, and I have a simply created a unit test function which is already there, wherein which you have a let app. I had just added a debug point and I used a PO app. That's it. As and when I used a PO app, we already have a static text for that. So PO app of a static text of an alert view. That's it. As and when you have identified that particular alerts view, right? So we are getting the complete object identification related to this alerts view. So here guys, the simple thing here is you need to open this particular project in the Xcode. If you remember as part of the previous sessions, this project has already opened in an Xcode, and then we have created a UI bundle, and from where I just debugged it and I have identified my coordinates. This set that we are seeing here is gonna be the height and width of this particular alerts view element. Alerts view element is having a 85.7 as a height and a 20.3 as a width. That's it. This is going to be my height and a width of that element. So the only thing that you need to do here is, as part of your program, let me copy it, comment this particular program, put this program again using coordinates, or I can say using a height and a width. So if you look at the official documentation, you need to pass on the braces and you need to give the x and as well as a y. So here this is the braces, and here x, just pressed a tab operation, automatically the values got displayed from the Xcode 85.7 and 20.3. So here I am passing 85.7 and 20.3. That's it. I have just passed these values, guys. That's it. Let me pull my terminal and let me try to run this particular program and check it out whether it is performing this alerts view operation or not. Okay. It should perform this particular operation. Okay. Perfect. Done. So it executed successfully. But if you look at this particular documentation, guys, one thing that you need to consider is ideally, whenever the device got changed or the screen resolution got changed, these coordinates may change. That's the reason it's not suggested to go with this particular coordinates approach. Whatever the regular approach, object identification followed by a tap operation would be the suggested way that you need to perform. Okay, perfectly all right. See you again in the next lecture with the next topic. Thank you. Bye bye.